Get your hands off me. Answer a damn question.
I look forward to answering questions in 2 minutes.
You know about Israel's nuclear weapons? Everybody from the ICJ. I was sitting here quietly, and now I am being manhandled by 2 or 3 people. You pontificate about a free press. You pontificate about a free press. You are hurting me. You are hurting me. You are hurting me. I am asking questions after being told by Matt Miller that he will not answer my questions, and so I'm asking questions. Wasn't the point of the May 31st statement to block the ICJ orders? You blocked the ICJ orders.
Please sir, respect the process.
Respect the process. Respect the process. Well, everybody from Amnesty International. From Amnesty International to the ICJ saying that Israel is doing genocide and extermination, and you're telling me to respect the process. Criminal! Why aren't you in the head?